Use your axe to chop down more trees. Since a wooden house requires a lot of wood, gather at least 2 full stacks of both wood and planks. Different types of trees add variation and color to your house. Oak and birch are common, with oak being light brown and birch pale with black stripes. Spruce is darker and usually found in cold biomes or mountains. Acacia grows in savannas with a gray trunk and bright orange grain. Dark oak is thick and dark, found in roof forests, while jumblewood is rare, tall, and has a brown-pink grain. Craft a furnace. Furnaces are useful for smelting materials like sand for glass, clay for bricks, or ores for tools. To craft one, place stone on all sides of the crafting grid except the middle slot. To smelt items, put the material on the top slot and fuel, like wood or coal, on the bottom. Iron and gold, or must be smelted before use. Craft torches. Torches are made using coal or charcoal stacked over a stick. Coal can be mined from black spotted stone, and charcoal can be made by smelting wood in a furnace. Each torch recipe gives 4 torches, which are essential for lighting your home and keeping monsters away.